This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make iced tea from green tea, easy method. Bring water to about 175 degrees F. Steep tea for 2 to 3 minutes. Then cool quickly with ice or an ice bath and chill before serving. Add sweetener or lemon if desired. And serve over ice with mint for garnish, tasting and adjusting sweetness to personal preference. In this video, I will show how to make iced tea from green tea, easy method. After heating water to 175 degrees F, add tea and time 2 to 3 minutes. Then remove leaves to stop extraction. Pour into a pitcher and cool at room temperature briefly before refrigerating or adding ice. And always taste before serving to adjust strength, sweetener, or citrus for a refreshing final cup. In this video, I will show how to make iced tea from green tea, easy method. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum saves time by keeping floors tidy while you relax with your iced tea. It has smart voice control and excellent suction for pet hair and crumbs. Check the description for the link and other deals. And if you like this tip, subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make iced tea from green tea, easy method. For cold brew, add tea to cold water and steep in the fridge for 8 to 12 hours. Strain the leaves and dilute if needed. Sweeten gently and pour over ice. And enjoy a naturally smooth, low-acidity iced tea that's easy to make and perfect for hot afternoons or batch serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.